Hi, I'm Dr. Yaohua Chen. I am neurogeriatrician from Lille in the north of France and also a senior Atlantic Fellow from the 2019 cohort. It is my pleasure today to present you our project with our friends, colleagues, and fellow fellows. So to mark the 10th anniversary of the Global Brain Health Institute, we organize a public awareness campaign. The name is En route pour la santé du cerveau, which means on the road to brain health. It is a series of scientific events and lectures taking place across several French-speaking locations. We use the metaphor of a bus to highlight the importance of protections of brain health as a lifelong journey. We would like to tell everyone that it's important to protect your brain health at every stage of your life. So as you can see here, we will stop in numerous French-speaking countries such as France, Belgium, Mauritius, Congo, Togo, and we will have interactive workshops, short science communication presentations, film screenings, and open discussions with the participants. From sleep and cognitive health to prevention and creative engagement, each session offers practical insights and shared learning grounded in real-world experiences. So, are you ready to get on board on our brain bus? I hope you are. Let's start with France. In France, I'm going to present the experience from Lille, from my city, where we led a multi-component community-based platform for a better, healthy aging. So we know that brain health is not just about having good cognitive evaluation. It's not about the absence of neurodegenerative disorders. We imagine brain health as a lifelong dynamic process that includes cognitive domains, but also physical health and overall well-being. So in our program, we offer people the possibility to self-evaluate their frailty through physical activity, cognition, sleep, nutrition using our app. They also have the possibility to visit our website, but also come in our hospital to have an on-site assessment. We also have a teaching module for healthcare professionals about healthy aging.
Hi everyone, my name is Agathe Vrillon and I'm a behavioral neurologist at Hôpital Lariboisière, Paris in France, an Atlantic Fellow for Equity in Brain Health. With GBHI, I had the opportunity to spend 1 year in UCSF in the 2023 cohort. And for the 10th GBHI birthday, I will be talking about sleep and its impact on brain function and talk about how a good sleep can promote healthy aging.
Hi, my name is Laurent Cleret de Langavant. I am a French neurologist. I will speak today about the danger of eating ananase fruit, such as corosol, graviola, and these fruits are very popular for the taste and for traditional medicine applications in tropical regions. However, researchers know that these fruits contain toxic components that affect the neurons in the brain. They can cause moderate symptoms such as in Parkinson's disease, but also cognitive disorders and brain atrophy. So we want to share information about this.
Hello, I'm Eleonore. I'm a French neurologist working at Sorbonne University in Paris. Thanks to the long-term support of GBHI, I developed 2 programs for children and teenagers that have been implemented in France, Ireland, with Ukraine coming next. The first program promotes brain health. The second one empowers youth to better understand disability and inclusion. During the Brain Bus conferences, I will bring these 2 programs' messages to both children and adults. I'm very glad it helps reduce social health inequities from an early age. Huge thanks to GBHI and happy birthday!
Belgium.
On est fiers de vous présenter le programme Reva Senior qu'on a développé depuis un an et demi à Nivelles avec mes collègues Dr Hassanal, Dr Denoët. Et Jeanne, notre kiné, qui est très solaire. Il y avait toute l'équipe de l'hôpital de jour gériatrique. Et donc c'est un programme qui a du succès et qui est parti de l'idée que la prévention était importante en gériatrie. En tout cas, il y a un article qui est sorti en 2018 et puis recorrigé en 2020 dans le Lancet, une revue vraiment importante qui montrait que les troubles de la mémoire pouvaient être décalés, en tout cas être ralentis de manière plus importante qu'avec des médicaments en faisant de la prévention.
And now let's go to Mauritius.
I choose community brain health because it is where people live together, learn and grow. In Mauritius, there is not much awareness on brain health, prevention and dementia. Therefore, by bringing brain health into communities, we are reducing stigma, promoting prevention and engaging children, women and senior citizens into culturally meaningful activities and bringing equity closer to people. Thank you.
And now let's go to Congo.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Emmanuel Epenge, a neurologist from Democratic Republic of Congo. As part of the Brain Bath project, I'm honored to join you in celebrating the 10th anniversary of the Atlantic Institute. To mark this milestone, I'm presenting the film Coco Suzanne that fights the stigma related to Alzheimer's disease and dementia. I invite you to watch it all. Happy anniversary to you all. Let's keep moving together.
And our bus will now stop at Togo.
Hi everyone, my name is Mawuli Lawson, Atlantic Fellow for Equity in Brain Health, cohort 2024 at UCSF. With grateful hearts, we join in celebrating the 10th anniversary of GBHI with an event here in Togo Lomé called Ahonnon Center, Echoes of the Brain. What are we up to? We are gathering in our community to share one important message: healthy brains, healthy aging. We are so deeply grateful to DBHI for the support, for the vision, and for the impact over the years. Happy anniversary, GBHI. Here's to many more years. Thank you so much.
And of course, with that, I would like to thank all of our partners and especially la Fondation Alzheimer. Now you will see a short presentation from Professor Philippe Amouiel, who is the president of this association.
Since 2021, Fondation Alzheimer has been a partner of the Global Brain Health Institute. Our non-profit organization is dedicated to advancing research in Alzheimer's disease and related disorders. In that context, we encourage and support young scientists and clinicians to candidate to the Atlantic Fellow for Equity in Brain Health programs. To mark the 10th anniversary of Global Brain Health Institute, we supported the International Conference on the Road to Brain Health, organized by the French-speaking awardees to raise public awareness about prevention.
Hello, we're the Francophone crew for the Brain Bus. Thank you.
GBHI Togo.
GBHI Belgium.
GBHI France.
Paris.
Lille.
GBHI RDC.
GBHI L'Île Maurice.
Joyeux anniversaire.
Happy birthday.
Joyeux anniversaire.
Joyeux anniversaire.
Birthday.
Joyeux anniversaire.